How's it going, Kelowna? This is Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. Behind me I have a 2016 Mazda CX-5 GT all-wheel drive. Let me show you around. So we do have that 2.5 liter getting you between 6 and 9 liters per 100 kilometers. As you come around the side here, you got real nice 19-inch alloy wheels. You got color matching mirrors and door handles, tinted rear windows. Coming around the back here, this does have the Sky Active technology, in the engine. Coming up to the back there, you do have the cargo cover. Fairly decent size. These handles here bring down the back seats. And continuing the walk around the other side here, in the black mica is what the color is called. And we're inside this 2016 CX-5, starting with steering wheel controls. We have our audio and hands-free. We have our cruise control. Coming over to the left here, we have our TCS, TPMS, which is your tire pressure monitoring, blind spot and lane departure. We have your window and mirror controls. Infotainment screen, you got the CD player up top there. Zone climate control, the heated front seats, storage bin down below there with 2 USBs, your gear select, sport mode if needed. Down here you have your knob to control entertainment, and your emergency park right here, and you have your 2-tiered center console, real nice black leather seats. Top here you have your universal garage door opener and your sunroof controls. And coming into the back seat here, you've got quite a bit of room. You've got the cup holders in the middle. You've got the headrests there for traveling. And up here there's a button, click that down and the seats drop down. They are 60/40 folding seats. And it just clicks in like so. Thank you guys for watching this video on the 2016 Mazda CX-5 GT all-wheel drive. For more information on this vehicle, feel free to reach out to us at any time. We're more than happy to help you. Thank you guys again for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.